Good morning, everybody! Welcome to a new episode of DIY with Miss Nicolle. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We are going to create our own story. For this, we're going to have 3 easy steps, and we're going to use our imagination, our creativity, and we're going to open up our mind. So, everybody ready? Let's start. Step number 1. Materials. We're going to need white or colored paper, crayons, markers, colored pencils, pencil, magazine or newspaper cutouts, scissors, and glue. Step number 2. Imagine. First, we're going to imagine and choose a setting for our story. Now, what is a setting? Setting is an environment or surrounding in which a story takes place. Now, for example, a setting could be your house, it could be our school, could be the forest, or maybe a big jungle. That is the setting of our story. Second, we're going to create our characters. And remember, character can be any person, figure, object, or animals. For example, a dog, yourself, your mom, or your dad. Those are characters. Step 3, create. At the end, remember to ask your mom and dad to record and take pictures of your beautiful stories. Remember to send them to your teachers so Miss Nicolle and Miss Norma can see them. Remember, you can ask your mom or dad to help you build your beautiful story.